Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by making the job simple and safe. Park level, pull the parking brake and disconnect the negative battery terminal so airbags and electrics stay inert. Slide the seat fully back to expose front bolts, then slide forward for rear bolts. Use a 10 mm socket with an extension, break bolts loose, then remove them. As you work, keep bolts in a labeled tray so reassembly is fast. Once the bolts are out, you're ready to lift and access the underseat connectors and tracks. Now focus under the seat, reach in and locate the wiring harness and heater connectors. Press the release tabs, pull straight to avoid damaging pins. Next, unclip any fabric trim or seatbelt anchor bolts that block removal. Use a flat pry tool for plastic clips and a ratchet for anchors. Lift the seat straight up. Seats can be heavy, so brace yourself or get help. Once free, set the seat on a covered surface. This gives you clear access to upholstery clips and mounting rails for the next steps. With the seat accessible, release the upholstery clips around the lower shell. Work evenly so foam and cover don't tear. Remove the cushion and inspect foam, sliders, and mounting hardware. Clean contacts, replace any torn clips, and lubricate rails where needed. To finish, set the seat back in place, reconnect all plugs, and loosely fit bolts before torquing to spec for alignment. Once torqued, reconnect the battery and test seat position, switches, and heaters. Troubleshooting tip: if a motor won't run,
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.